Hi, my name is Linda, and today we are going to learn a little bit more about doTERRA's frankincense essential oil, especially how to use it and why you would want to use it. Frankincense is the king of oils. It was given at the birth of Jesus Christ, the King of Kings, and is a fantastic oil to have in your home. Frankincense is one of my favorite oils to talk about. We always say, if you are not sure what to use frankincense. There are so many ways you can use frankincense, and today I'm going to give you a good starting point of the most common and practical ways to use frankincense. Frankincense is good for respiratory health and can be very helpful if you are struggling to breathe, especially the lungs. I like to combine it with eucalyptus, sometimes lime, and dilute it with a carrier oil like fractionated coconut oil, which I then apply to my chest and my neck. You can also put a combination in your diffuser for respiratory support. Frankincense is very supportive for the brain and memory. Anything you can think of that is related to brain function, because it is one of the few oils that can cross the blood-brain barrier. So for neurological support, you can apply it diluted to the brainstem area on the back of your neck, or you can take a drop under your tongue every day. Frankincense is fantastic for skin and anti-aging. You can use a drop with your nighttime face cream or apply it lightly around your eyes, because it helps with fine lines, uneven skin tone, blemishes, dry spots, and it just gives the skin a beautiful glow. It even helps with pimples. Frankincense is very nourishing for the skin. So basically any type of skin irritation you can think of will benefit from using frankincense. It also helps with stretch marks. It helps to promote the healing response of the skin, and it also helps the body produce an inflammatory response. So frankincense will be useful for any type of inflammation that you are dealing with. The inflammatory response in the body is linked to so many different health issues. As you can see, using frankincense daily will only benefit each of us because all of us deal with at least one or two of these things. Frankincense is just a fantastic oil to use for overall body support, including the immune system. It is also a wonderful oil for autoimmune challenges. Frankincense is very calming and grounding, and it works so well for emotions. This is one of the oils that I like to use to make me feel less anxious or stressed, by just applying it to the back of my neck or on my wrists. Or I take a cup of hot water, I put a drop of frankincense in it and just breathe it in. It helps me breathe deeper, calm down, and feel more centered. I also like to use it in the evenings. I like to diffuse frankincense with wild orange in my room because it calms my brain and it also helps with sleep. Frankincense is also very beneficial for healthy cell development. To be compliant, I unfortunately can't mention specifics, but think of anything related to abnormal cell growth in the body. You can also Google abnormal cell growth in the body. Frankincense supports the body during such challenges. Abnormal cell growth is a concern. A good protocol is to dilute frankincense and apply it directly to that area, and also to take a drop under the tongue daily, even twice a day. Under the feet is also a very good place to apply frankincense, or on the brainstem, depending on where the abnormal cell growth is. It is also good for head tension, any area of pain or discomfort, because it helps reduce inflammation in the body. I mix it with fractionated coconut oil and massage it to sore muscles or stiff joints. The natural anti-inflammatory properties make a big difference. For head tension, especially those intense ones that makes you want to lie down in a dark room, I personally use 2 drops of copaiba under my tongue and 1 drop of frankincense. I just wet my thumb and I hold it to the roof of my mouth for a couple of seconds, and it works every single time for me. Frankincense also enhances the properties of other oils. So if you are making a blend for pain or discomfort, for example, it would be beneficial to add a drop or two of frankincense to your blend. It's truly the king of oils. It is calming, healing, powerful, and something I believe every household should have. Whether it is for beauty, immune health, emotions, brain function, or just to keep your body in balance, when you are not sure what to use frankincense. Frankincense is one of the most adulterated oils in the world. So doTERRA, as you know, does not adulterate. They do not use synthetics, fillers, or anything of the sort, and they do over 40 tests to make sure their oils are both pure and potent, and frankincense is no exception. This month, for December 2025, you get frankincense for free with any 200 PV order. If you have already placed your order, but it's not 200 PV, you do have the option to place a top-up order to make up the difference and get your free frankincense. If you don't have doTERRA oils yet, and you would like to get them, and depending on your order, you might get a free frankincense too. Send me an email at doterranamibia@gmail.com and I will be happy to help you. So, I would love to hear from you how your favorite way of using frankincense, and if you have any questions, let me know. Enjoy your free frankincense this month, and happy oiling!